Uktob AI is one of the newest AI software releases that's already making waves in the digital marketing world. But is it really as revolutionary as people are saying? In this Uktob AI review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this tool, so stick around to find out if it's worth your time and money. And if you want to try it for yourself, I've linked a free trial in the description below. First, let's talk about what Uktob AI is all about. It's an all-in-one AI-powered platform designed to optimize your marketing and customer experience. Whether you're in content creation, SEO, or customer outreach, this software claims to do it all. But how well does it really perform? One of the standout features of Uktob AI is its ability to generate highly targeted marketing copy for different platforms. Whether you need blog posts, social media captions, or even email campaigns, Uktob uses advanced algorithms to create content that resonates with your audience. This can save you hours of manual work and can potentially increase engagement with your brand. Uktob AI also offers something that most AI tools don't: real-time campaign performance tracking. You can immediately see how your marketing efforts are doing and adjust your strategy based on real data. This means you're not just blindly guessing or waiting for the numbers to roll in. Uktob gives you actionable insights to optimize as you go. When it comes to AI-powered SEO, Uktob AI shines. It helps analyze keywords, recommends the best practices for content structure, and even gives you tips on how to improve your site's ranking. If you're trying to improve your organic reach, this is a tool you can't ignore. But it doesn't stop there. Uktob AI is also an automation powerhouse. If you've been struggling with repetitive tasks, like sending follow-up emails or posting on social media, Uktob's automation feature can handle it for you. This will give you more time to focus on scaling your business rather than getting stuck in the day-to-day grind. Now, let's talk about one of the most important factors when choosing AI software: ease of use. Uktob AI's interface is incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you can start using the software right away without a steep learning curve. The user experience is smooth and designed to be accessible for everyone, from beginners to experienced marketers. On the flip side, one of the limitations of Uktob AI is its focus on marketing. While it excels in creating and optimizing marketing campaigns, it's not as versatile when it comes to other business operations. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one solution for things like project management or team collaboration, you might need to look elsewhere. But don't just take my word for it. You can try out Uktob AI for free through the link in the description below. If you're looking to streamline your marketing, boost your SEO, and automate your outreach, this software is definitely worth a look. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've come across a few that I believe stand out, and Uktob AI is one of them. If you're curious about other AI tools that could potentially help your business grow, I've listed my recommended software in the description below. After testing numerous platforms, these are the ones that have helped me the most. So, is Uktob AI the best just released AI software out there? For marketers looking to improve content creation, SEO, and automation, it's definitely one of the top contenders. But make sure to try it for yourself and see how it fits your needs.